So Sebastian, what happens if somebody's got a brand new roof, or maybe a 10-year-old roof, maybe 20-year-old, and then they add solar panels to it?
You know, I've dealt with some customers that have put in solar panels on older roofs, and it's I totally not advise for any solar company or anybody that has old roofs to put solar panels, because A, those shingles are probably not as strong as they used to be,
Got
and two, once you pay someone to put in those solar panels and it starts leaking, you have to pay twice to remove them and then do the roof. So if you were to do solar panels, always make sure your roof is at a good life. Like 1 to 10 years max, I think, is a good age for a roof to be considered putting solar panels. I know some solar companies redo your roof before putting the
Really?
solar panels, so that's probably a good company to go for, that they offer that kind of option. But the biggest problem is just make sure the roof's at a good age.
So if you're at home and thinking, I got a 15-year-old roof or a 20-year-old roof or maybe a triple layer, I got a 50 years roof, 30 and 10 years ago, you probably don't want to add those solar panels, because what's going to happen?
You could have a leak, and maybe the solar panel could fall off, and that's going to be an expensive replacement. It could potentially, that's pretty much everything. It could have leaks, you could have a damaged roof, you could have a leak it ruins some inside your apartment building or inside your house.
Do you suggest, or do you believe in solar panels, or do you think it does more harm than good to the roof?
I think solar panels are probably good. If you buy it out, you get a good tax rebate. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm not an expert in that, but I think that people are doing them for a reason, and it's just to save money on electricity. And but just my only concern with them is just make sure your roof's good to go. You don't want any of those problems that I just talked about.
Yeah. So 10 years or less, you can put them on. Over that, you should put on a new roof.
Absolutely.
Cool. Thank you.